Look at that wind. Oh my gosh. Look at the wind.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look.
Oh my gosh. Guys, look. Everybody come
Okay, look at this wind.
That is crazy. I know that's what's killing it. That wind is crazy.
I'm taking a video of it.
Oh, now it's going on.
Oh my god.
Why?
Are we in the middle of a tornado?
I hope not. It's blowing that track. Oh my
I'm
gosh.
scared. Everybody have to get in the bathroom?
You better get in the
The
house.
wind is changing directions like really.
This is wild.
So wow.
Get the TV on. I guess we could Wally, get your scanner.
Oh, it's big hail right there. Look at
I know.
Well, get bigger.
that. Yeah, I know.
I'm telling you, that's usually when.
The hailstorm out there.
I'm telling you, that's when a tornado comes.
That wind just a minute ago was
Hey,
scary.
hey, it was hailing when I was coming up the road.
It's still hailing.
It's hailing out there. I didn't know that's what to see it.
It was hitting my wind. It was hitting my windshield.
Don't be so loud on
I'm
recording.
really scared.
Let's go in the house.
Come on, Grandpa.
Alex,
take care
come
of
Come on out. They got to be still out here.
I got dreams when I come in that back door. That wind's coming the other way.